Healthcare, a leading health and wellness magazine, regards JC Organic Barley as the hero of superfoods. 3 individuals attested to its benefits, saying they were cured of their medical conditions. 50-year-old Marianda Yumat says she was diagnosed of having breast cancer in 2019.
2019 po, yun, na-diagnose ako ng breast cancer. May nakapa ako na bukol, parang buto ng santol kalaki. Yun yung feel ko. Nung sinabi ng doktor, I have to undergo ng chemo, then surgery, at saka radiation. Noong 2021, banggit niya sa akin about JC Barley. Parang na-curious ako kasi that time, naghahanap ako ng alternative medicine noon na yung natural. Malaking tulong po talaga sa akin yung JC Organic Barley natin na to regenerate nung mga cells ko, especially yung sa skin ko na parang dehydrated. Ngayon, I feel light na nakikita ko po yung progress ng itsura ko nung before ako mag-take ng barley at saka up to now. Ang laking tulong din po yun dahil every 3 months I need to go for a blood control. So, lahat po ng mga blood ko is normal siya.
Meanwhile, 52-year-old online freelancer Alvin Tom shares that he has been dealing with high cholesterol for a decade, and in June last year, he consulted a doctor who gave him a maintenance drug, advised him to check his diet and exercise regularly. He then became interested in barley and tried a brand, but eventually stopped because of its awful taste, until he tried JC Organic Barley Juice.
When I tasted JC Organic Barley, taste is very good dahil because of its meron siyang stevia. Yung taste niya is really parang juice siya. So you don't have to add anything at all. Parang ready to drink na siya talaga. Well, for the results kasi, no, from June lab results to October lab results. So andun yung improvement in terms of cholesterol. From 6.22 down to 3.93. Laki ng binaba, right? Which is pasok siya sa limit. And then LDL from 4.23 naging 1.93. And then lastly, yung triglyceride, 1.72 to 1.57. I'm happy to say na lahat siya nag-improve siya.
Angelo Madronero, a 37-year-old Australia-based overseas Filipino worker, says he gained weight during the COVID-19 pandemic. He says he reached 90 kilograms because of his unhealthy lifestyle, drinking alcohol and eating fatty foods.
Last 2021, during pandemic, so doon ko na napansin na nag-gain na ako ng weight. Pumatak nga siya ng 90 kilos, which is dapat ang healthy range lang ng weight ko. Dapat nasa from 65 lang to 72 to 75. Hanggang sa nakita ko na nga si JC Organic Barley. First, yung mga 1 to 3 days yata, hindi ko pa makikita yung talagang epekto. Parang nakita ko lang na nag-lighten yung skin. During workout, iniinom ko rin siya. Doon napansin ko din na mas more energetic ako sa workout. Siyempre, after ko mag-workout, diretso ako trabaho. Napansin ko na yung dating pagod ako kaagad. After taking JC Organic Barley, napansin ko na tuloy-tuloy yung energy ko na based on my experience. So kaya ako pinili maging healthy with the help of JC Organic Barley. Not just for me, also for my family.